Let me take you back to a city that thought nothing could break it. Babylon. It was beautiful. Its gardens stretched so far that the air always smelled like flowers. Its walls were so high that invaders turned away before even trying. Its markets overflowed with gold, spices, and silk. People looked at Babel and thought, this is the peak of human achievement. But here's what people forget. A city can look perfect from the outside while its heart is rotting. And Babel's heart was rotting. The people had wealth, but they lost humility. They had knowledge, but they lost fear of Allah. They began chasing control, not just over land or trade, but over the unseen, over things no human was meant to play with. And this is where the story of Harut and Marut comes in. Allah sent these two angels to Babel as a test for the people. They came with knowledge of things that could be used for good or for great harm. Knowledge that included how to cause separation between a husband and wife, how to manipulate, how to twist reality in ways most people couldn't even understand. But here's the important part. Harut and Marut didn't hand this knowledge out like free samples. They warned every single person. We are a test for you, so do not fall into disbelief. They made it clear this was not for playing, not for greed, not for evil. And yet, many people didn't care. They took the knowledge and misused it. They chose harm over guidance. They preferred control over righteousness. Some even began to act like they had divine power themselves. That's how far arrogance can take a society. To the point where even a direct warning from angels isn't enough to stop them. For a while, life in Babel still looked good. The markets were busy, the walls still stood, the gardens still bloomed, but inside the corruption was eating them alive. And when their fall came, it was complete. The mighty city became dust. Today, it's just ruins and stories. And you know what's scary? The disease that destroyed Babel is still alive today. The hunger for power without responsibility, the twisting of truth to control others, the arrogance that makes people ignore every warning. We can build towers, run empires, gather wealth, but if we repeat what Babel did, we'll face what Babel faced. The lesson is, knowledge is a trust. Power is a trust. If it's not rooted in submission to the one who gave it, it becomes your destruction, just like it did for Babel.